GAMB stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm gonna answer all of that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And as I'm briefly overviewing gambling.com stock, we're 0.17% down. Honestly, this is not even that good. Like, look at this freaking. But like, what's this performance, man? What the heck? And as I've done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. And I'm not just saying this just to brag. It's just the truth. Over those 42,000 reps that I've done, I've figured out like a process in like a sort of way that I'm looking to take advantage of this. And in this particular instance, unless there is a big catalyst or some breaks above 12, I would say like 13 cents dollars, then I'm not buying really. So that's how it's looking like. If you want to learn how to make a flat 10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Even with GAMB, I do have some good previous receipts here. Yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.